Morning everyone, and yeah, darkness is back. Level 3 load shedding is with us again, and this time it's because of over 2000 megawatts worth of generating capacity that has been lost. There's a lot floating around in the news, and someone like myself who's a real energy expert that actually understands what's happening within Eskom can tell you that no, it's not politicians that's doing this. It's real units that have problems and that have shut down. Cubic Unit 2 that needs to still start up because of issues that they need to address, and then other units that were lost. And the reason why load shedding level 3 was implemented over the weekend is to just recuperate the fuel levels and the dam levels at the pump storage schemes. So this hasn't changed, and nothing has changed because we haven't built new generation capacity. But I see that they are starting to talk about this now. The problem is, it is late. They are late, extremely late. This government is completely incompetent. All of them, all of the people in the GNU is incompetent. And I see that people from around the world and around South Africa are starting to open their mouths and say that when there's a vacuum, you need to fill the void. And you need to try and convince the mass electorate and the people that can actually change things, which is us South African citizens, to do something. Not to sit back and hope someone's going to save us, but do something yourself, because no one is coming to save you. I can tell you that now. You need to become as self-reliant with regards to energy as possible, as fast as you can. And for those of you that cannot, just make sure that you can look after the goods, your perishable goods and various other things, maybe how you buy things, because load shedding is not going to be gone. Load shedding is going to be commonplace if we do not build new baseload capable capacity. I will keep you updated with things on our members live chat on Thursday evening. I gave them a good breakdown of what is happening, and just understand that load shedding is not gone. We have been lucky up until now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet, so that you can get proper information. Consider becoming a member and go and watch the last two members live streams where we discuss a document that gives you a lot of detail around the plans for South Africa. This document is from the 80s, and it details many things that I've spoken of before that confirms those things. So on this channel, you will get unique information. You will find nowhere else, because there are too many political clowns and commentators out there on social media talking through their noses. Thanks so much for those that are continuously supporting us on this channel to give you the information that you so desperately need to make decisions in your life.